How to turn off automatic updates on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily disable automatic updates on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new contents. Now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your search bar and search for services. Just search for services and open this. It will open up a window for all of your services. Now you just have to scroll down until you find the Windows updater. So go ahead and search for Windows Update, and once you find it, go ahead and right click on it. Once you do that, tap on Properties. Now this will open up right here. So on the Windows Update properties, all you have to do is tap on the startup type and then set disabled. Tap on apply, and once you have done that, go ahead and head over to recovery, and here on the first failure, go ahead and tap on this one and select take no action. Once you do that, hit apply and then OK, and once you do that, you can close this out and give your PC a quick restart. Once you restart your PC, these changes will be applied to your PC, and it will stop updating your computer automatically. You will have to manually update your computer, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one.